So you have a hood here with glasses, and what you do is just zip it up all the way over your face. Boom. How funny is that? Even though it looks like a hazmat suit, it's not really protected because all these little holes is just air vents, that's it. And you can snowboard in it. The only problem with this thing, it's kind of hard to see through it because whenever I turn my head, this thing is not turning with me. Unless, let me see. Unless this right here is zipping. Oh, there you go. Kind of fogging up my head. Now it's turning. Oh, okay, now we know how to use it. Make it zip it up really good. Put some anti-fog on these glasses because when you breathe it kind of make it really foggy. But yeah, this is funny. Now I can turn and actually turning with it. How funny is that, guys? Let me know in comments below what do you think. Whenever you want to take it off, especially whenever you're snowboarding and they blow on the snow, you know how sticky it gets. So yeah, regular coat over here, a bit short for me, but really nice party coat, big pocket gloves, love it. I wish it was a little bit longer because I would wear it. This is so funny. And in case there's a big blizzard, even walking, you're like, whoopa. Then zip this up all the way, boom. And blizzard doesn't matter, you stay warm. So it's actually perfect for like a really windy day. Maybe even riding on a bicycle in the winter time. I don't know if I would want to do that, but I see some people do that. That could be cool too. So that way it's completely windproof. This is just looks like out of some kind of animation. This is so funny. And then you're like, hello. Wow, this is so weird, isn't it? Boom. One more time. Love it. Okay, now we're doing some modeling over here. This will look like it's perfect size for my hands. It's just kind of small. I wish it was a little bit longer torso. I would definitely wear it. I love it. It's high quality. Got it on eBay straight from UK. Thumbs up for me. I come across something very unique. CocaCola Insiders Club. So it's like a subscription bag with like a unique drinks inside of them, like a tasting. I come across it on eBay actually, and when I went to actual CocaCola website place, it was fully sold out. Wow, check this out. There's a Amazon gift card. That's cool. That's it. Welcome to the club. Okay, what would you get? Oh, okay, cool. So you have here 1, 2, 3 drinks, whatever this is. We're gonna open it in a little bit. And TikToks by Coca-Cola. Oh my god, it's actual Coca-Cola TikTok. So I guess you would open it up and taste test it. I see a little bit of a glue, so they glued it to the box, so I guess it doesn't beat up. Zero sugar, cherry vanilla. So that's like unique Coca-Cola soda flavors. What is this? Powerade Ultra, zero sugar. Looks like the whole thing is about zero sugar, and I think it's a lemonade of some sort. Looks like it. Anyways, okay. Wow, this is glued in still. Had to rip it off. Sprite ginger. So it's like ginger ale, Sprite ginger. So I wonder if it tastes like ginger ale. Very unique. And what is this? So rip that off. Oh, okay, that's a pop. Coca-Cola pop for your cell phone. Is it? Yep. There you go. 3M over here. Really good sticker. And TikTok Coca-Cola. That is probably the weirdest thing over here. Boom. Wow. Oh my gosh, each Tic Tac has a Coca-Cola logo on it. Do you guys see it? I don't even want to open it up. Let's see if I can show it to you. You see this one? It says Coca-Cola on it. On each Tic Tac. Limited edition, made with Coca-Cola. Obviously going to flavor of Coca-Cola. So yeah, there you go. That's what you expect in one of the month subscription box. Let's do a little taste test over here. At least of a couple of things. Like Coca-Cola cherry. Oh, that is not my favorite. That tastes very, very weird. I wouldn't drink that. That's for sure. Yeah. You know what? A lot of different flavors Coca-Cola makes. I like it a lot. Probably because it is zero sugar. I'm not a big fan of zero sugar drinks. Okay, Sprite. What is it? Ginger. Ooh. Heavily sweetened and lemony, but not very carbonated at all. That is weird. Definitely not my thing. I love Sprite. Let me show it to you. You see, it's not carbonated at all. I guess it bubbles up a little bit. I know. That is not so good either, unfortunately. Okay, what about Powerade? Powerade probably be a lot better. Ooh, smells like one of those punches. Okay, it says white cherry, flavored, other natural flavors, zero sugar sports drink. I'm just not a fan of zero sugar stuff. Maybe I'll try this again. Hopefully I don't get a bunch of zero sugar stuff. But anyways, it's another cherry. This is a lot better than this Coca-Cola cherry. That was like not good at all. I'll stick with the regular Coca-Cola and regular Sprite. But I do like trying new things. They have Coca-Cola logos on each Tic Tac. If you flip it over, there will be a Coca-Cola logo. Some of them kind of rubbed off, looks like. Okay, let's taste it. Okay, tastes a little sour and a little bit of flavor of Coca-Cola, but I wonder if it's just a placebo effect. If you bite into it, definitely tastes like Coca-Cola a lot more. They call it mint. I definitely don't taste a lot of mint. If you bite into it, you definitely get hit with the Coca-Cola flavor, but that's it. I seen this commercial on TV with this 3 lamps over here, and they foldable. So let's see if this stuff is any good. I bought one cheaper one and one more expensive. Wow, check this out. So it flattens out flat regularly, and then you can bend them out so that way it will be like a big lantern on top of the ceiling. I think this one was way more expensive, and let's see why. Oh, because it comes with 2. A little bit easier to fold it. Kind of have to screw it up a little bit tighter so it doesn't unfold that easily. So this one kind of nice because it feels like aluminum. Yeah, so it's like a heat protectors. This one plastic. So let's go plug it in and see what it's going to look like. Here's a good example. A regular light bulb. I mean, this one is pretty bright. So let's plug it in and see if it's gonna get any better. First we're gonna go with this one. Whoa, oh my gosh, it blinded me. Oh my gosh, look at the difference, you see it? That's nice, right? But now what I'm gonna do is just point it this way and this way. Check this out, so much brighter, and it's like a big lantern. Boom. Not so much down, but actually look, it's so bright down here too. But if you wanna have like a desk right here and you're working on something really particular that you need a lot of light, you can point it this way, and you see there's darker over here. But it's like really illuminates the whole room, and it's fully adjustable like that. That is so cool. This is the best light bulbs ever. Quite bright for sure. This is why they call them garage lights. So instead of having one light bulb, you just have one of these, like 3 of them, for one hole. That is so cool. Once again, this is what it looks like with this light. Horrible. And I don't think I'm gonna keep it here because I have all this open insulation. I don't know if it gets too hot and stuff, but it was just for example. I think they're mainly advertising it for the garage. You know what? This one kinda does not fit that well. Oh wow. Wow, that's powerful as well. Check this out. All the way down. So you can be concentrated down here, but as you can see there is shades all around. Even up here, you see the camera doesn't catch it. And whenever you wanna adjust it this way, you pretty much have this nice giant lantern. That's pretty cool. So yeah, very unique light bulb. Don't look at that light directly in real life. Obviously to the camera it's not a big deal, but it will mess up your vision. It's super bright. So pretty crazy. I know, I like them both. Let me know in comments below which one do you like better. So yeah, perfect garage light over here for sure. The reason why I'm probably not gonna keep it here, because there's open ceiling. If I had sheetrock over here, I probably would left it here. So really cool lights. Got it here, Starbucks Origami Coffee Kit. This is from Japan, ordered it straight from Japan. Japan really have the coolest stuff ever. I think they make up stuff over there and then sometimes bring things over here too. So this is 2020 fall. So it's a little bit older. We're in 2021 now. So you have Starbucks coffee kit inside here. Let's see what's about. I have no idea, that's the first time I'm testing it. So looks like there's a pour over kit. I wonder how it's unfold. Okay, it shows me to unfold it this way. So this way? No. This way? There's the instructions down here. Pretty simple. I think you gotta grab it by the flaps. Yep. Oh wow, check this out. There's a coffee. So you open it by the flaps, make it flatten out, and there's your coffee in there. Smells really strong. So fold this up a little bit. Makes sense now. If you come across it, now you know how to use it. And I love this cardboard. It will work on any kind of mug pretty much because it's so big. How cool is that? So now we're gonna boil water, already did, and we're just gonna pour it over. And looks like it's like a tea bag, saturating it pretty good, so you wanna maintain pretty nice flow, but don't overfill it. Wow, check this out. Whoops. All the way to the top. Of course I need creamer and things like that. I really have to have creamer with my coffee. I like it creamy and sweet. But I'll let you know what it tastes like. Doesn't look really dark. So I guess you can fold it up and discard this stuff. I'll put it back in the bag so it doesn't leak. That's a good idea. Okay, then we're gonna put this cover back on. Nice. Okay, and we're gonna do taste test. Okay, there goes nothing. Cute little Starbucks mug over here for sure. It's pretty strong, but not very strong. Yeah, I would like it a little bit stronger, so maybe should have put a little bit less water. Or there's a different type of coffee you can buy. That's pretty awesome. So very unique, straight from Japan. Do they sell it in the United States? I never seen it, and I go to Starbucks pretty often. So yeah, they always make some cool stuff in Japan all the time first. Got right here Deepon pour-over coffee bags. Check this out. This one's cardboard, so it will be a lot easier to put them on a mug. Looks like it has a small mug. Let's see if it will fit on a big mug as well. Wow, check this out. Quite a few of them. So it's like a little coffee tea bags. Could be very useful in the office and things like that. Look, easy to open. That's trash. And you got right here a little tea bag of coffee. So what we'll do is just pull it up, self-explanatory, and there's all your coffee inside of it. Beautiful. Does it stay open? There's instruction over here how to do it. So just pull it on the flaps and flatten it out. Very simple. That kind of makes sense. And fold this things in and this one in. There you go. I guess you can even pull it up this way. Boom. So it will keep it open. Okay. Then you're gonna set it on a mug. Yeah, it fits this big mug. Wow, this is so good. It's stone cardboard, so it will fit really good. And we can pour it over with hot water. No problem. This bag also looks like saturates coffee very good. You see how the water is going through slowly, so that way it actually brews it inside of this pocket. So just take your time. That's pretty awesome. Looks like a dark coffee too. So there you go, another brand that makes this really easy, almost like camping-like pour-over coffee bags. Also, you don't need a coffee maker. All you need is a hot water teapot. That's it. So that way you can make tea or tea bags for coffee. I mean coffee from a tea bag. That's so unique. I love this design. I want to show you guys what it's going to look like once we're done. How dark it is. And I do like these bags, how slowly it is letting the water drip, because you want it to water stay up here and brew the coffee really good so it's dark. So just constantly add on a little bit and it will pour over. You see it's almost like sweating like to the bag over here. Very nice. Okay, whenever you're ready to take it off, you can just fold it together and move it away. Looks really dark. I like that. So brewed it really well. Ooh, yeah, that's really dark. Strong coffee. I mean medium roast most likely. But I don't taste it like it's watered down. So it brewed it really good. Put some honey and creamer in there. Perfect.